Beagle, not a Google. How old? 4 months, another baby. She's a baby. And the name? Oh, she had her first swim earlier today in her brother's pond. So this is her first official swim. What's her name? Daisy. Daisy's first official swim. Did she go in on her own, or did she sort of fall in the pond? Or... Oh, right, so it might have put her off a little bit. Right, yes. When she went in the pond this morning, she did get in a bit of a panic, so she might not be bursting with confidence at the moment. But once she realises she can swim, there you go. Whee! I think she was trying to fly then.
Daisy.
It's not the same in here, there's no fish. A little bit splashy, but after falling in the pond this morning, that's not surprising. If she had a bit longer, she would calm down and stop splashing and have a nice even stroke. I think he's had a lot of cuddles today, Mark. Yeah, on your head. Yeah. No, I'm fine up here, Mark. That's...
We'll have one last one back in mum, alright?